Hi!
Do your intro.
Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to another legitimate video with your girl Kyla. And today we are doing a mukbang with Drake and my friend Kate. And we are at Dairy Queen. So we're gonna get fries and a ton of blizzards. And yeah, that's what's gonna happen. Let's just get one of everything. Oh, and we're gonna get the cotton candy dipped cone because I want to try that.
Okay. We should all just order 2.
How many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Can I get one of every blizzard you guys have in a mini?
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, how many do you guys have?
Like 30, almost 40 blizzards.
Oh, fast.
Oh, never mind.
And they're like $3.80 each.
Okay, what are your top 10? You want to just surprise us with your favorite top 10 blizzards and do them all in a mini?
All in mini?
Yeah.
Make sure there's a cotton candy.
And then one of the cotton candy ones for sure too.
Oh, I'm gonna be on there anyway. So.
Perfect. 2 large fries, 3 of the small cotton candy dip cones. Everyone please like this video,
Subscribe so we can pay for this.
turn on post notifications.
Please, I'm also doing post notification shout outs. So.
Send $40 in the mail.
My Venmo. You know people have that in their bio.
Bro, there's a guy that I saw on TikTok yesterday. He was like, I'm at the car dealership for my dream car and can everyone just Venmo me $1 and then I could get this car. And like, I was like, dang, talk about begging for money. My Venmo is Drage Dash Cameron. No difference between my Instagram and my TikTok, same name.
Same name.
You can send as much as you want. Please don't request money because I don't want to. Okay, you can request, but I probably won't pay it.
We did a video, check it out on Drage's channel. Probably a year ago, we Venmo'd famous YouTubers.
Yeah. This is a golf ball.
Oh snap. This is a water bottle, probably from a year ago. Oh, it's cold.
Okay, let's just act like it. I made it.
Whoa! You know he's actually the worst driver.
No one wants to hear you talk.
Oh, it is Brenton. Hi, Brenton. How are you? I'm good. How are you?
No, thank you.
I bet.
Boom. We got him.
Don't fall, please.
Awesome. We got everything.
Can we eat this first?
Yeah, let's try it.
I'm so excited. I
Yeah,
saw
this is the cotton candy
cone.
Wait, hold up. Do I get to eat this?
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh. It's magic.
Oh,
That's good.
tastes like bubble gum.
Take the top off, and it's like a little straw.
That is good.
Kind of tastes like I'm eating wax.
It does.
But
But the vanilla is good on the inside.
that's so good.
Everyone, grab a spoon.
Fine.
Oh my gosh, it's my brain.
This is cotton candy, I think.
Boom.
Is that cotton candy?
Good taste, huh? It's definitely cotton candy.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of purple.
It tastes like bubble gum again.
Let's do cookie dough. I think this is cookie dough.
Not cookie dough?
It's like snickerdoodle. That's really good.
Oh, I love snickerdoodle.
No,
It's like graham cracker.
it's graham cracker.
Oh, it is.
That is so good.
That is good.
That is.
Okay, 2 wins so far. Graham cracker and
Well, cookie
Cotton
dough
candy.
tasted like, or cotton candy tasted like bubble gum. Why is this so good?
I don't know, but we probably saw it because we got 17 more.
Fun fact, they don't only have 15.
They have like 40.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know what this is. Ew! It's nuts. That is so gross.
No, that's really good. You know what it
She
tastes like?
trash!
No, you know what it tastes like? It tastes like a freaking, you know those cones that you buy at the store?
Oh, no,
and they have the nuts on
drumsticks.
top?
It's
Yeah,
drumsticks.
it's
Drumsticks.
drumstick.
That's what it
Yeah.
is.
It's really good actually, I think.
I think she's trash.
I think
she's
it's really good.
It tastes like it though.
Uh-huh.
It does taste like it. They did a good job.
Spot on.
Like spot on. With the nuts. I wish they didn't do the nuts. Okay.
That's gotta be Oreo.
Yeah.
Or mint chocolate chip.
No, it's
a
Oreo.
lot
There's
of Oreos.
Oreo stuff.
It's
on
mint
top.
chocolate chip.
It's mint Oreo.
It's mint chocolate chip.
Then why is there Oreos on top of it, Kyla?
It's mint chocolate chip.
It's mint Oreo.
It's Oreo.
Gosh, guys, okay, fine.
Okay, fine.
Mint chocolate chip would have chocolate chips, not Oreos.
It's mint Oreo.
That's good.
Yeah.
There's-
I say middle for me. That graham cracker really was it.
That graham cracker was good.
I don't know that.
I was really surprised that the drumstick one tastes really like
It tastes
exactly like
exactly like a drumstick.
Okay.
it. Should we do those ones before they melt?
Probably.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna spill.
I like animal cracker, but it tastes so alike. It's too much.
It tastes really sweet.
Oh, I hate those.
She trash.
It's exactly what it should taste like, but
She trash.
Too much animal crackers are just weird.
it's like the animal crackers with the frosting and the
No,
the
that's
sprinkles
why
on
there's
it.
like the frosting animal crackers.
Not
in
good.
there.
Okay, now we have this one. Don't know what it is. Oh, peanut butter. She trash.
Oh,
I'm so sorry.
oh.
I got you. I got
It was on the spoon. Didn't hit the car. That is peanut butter. I like peanut butter.
For me, she trash.
That's Reese's.
I don't taste the Reese's.
100% Reese's.
If it's peanut butter, then it's probably Reese's.
I don't
Because there's
dig it.
chocolate in there as well.
I love Reese's, but I don't dig it.
Really? I love Reese's.
All right, what do we got?
I feel like that's Butterfinger.
That is 100% better.
Yeah, let's try it. I love Butterfinger.
It's so good. Yeah, that's Butterfinger.
Can't taste anything.
Yeah, I can.
Tastes like vanilla.
That's cold.
It's good.
100% Butterfinger.
Yeah.
We'll give it a win.
All right. Oh no.
The only lose so far is the animal cracker.
That's because,
No, dude. And the butter or the drumstick.
that's for you.
Drumstick was good.
All right.
Okay, what's this one?
Animal cracker was a she trash.
This one
ball.
looks like brownie cookie dough or something.
Oh my gosh, that sounds really good.
It does sound really good, but if it's not that, we're all gonna be
We're all
really
gonna
disappointed.
be- seriously.
What is it?
chocolate. I'll taste chocolate.
I think it is brownie cookie dough.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's gonna drip.
Go.
Yeah.
Oh,
That was
Yeah.
brownie
Good
cookie
guess.
dough.
that
Good
was
guess.
good.
No, it's spot on.
Really good. Okay, I'm gonna go.
That one's Snickers.
This one?
Why do you know them so well?
I don't know, it just looks like it. And I read the menu.
And I read the menu. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't like Snickers to begin with, but that's good.
That is good. Alright, I think this is Oreo.
We already had, whoa,
Good mint Oreo.
that's true.
Well, that's
Definitely.
not. That's Heath.
That's why I don't like it.
That's not Snickers.
Yeah, that's Oreo.
This one's just Oreo.
Yeah.
What was your
Okay.
guys' favorites?
Definitely graham cracker.
My favorite, I like, graham cracker was really good.
It was really good.
I low-key like the cotton candy.
I like this one.
That
I
one
like
was really
the
good.
chocolate,
And I like that one. Can I see that one again?
the drumstick.
I want to try it again because
Oh,
it
yeah.
tasted way too much like drumstick. It was weird.
It's like a melted one. They just
Which one's your
brushed
favorite,
out.
Kate?
I like the cookie dough brownie.
I love the graham cracker. Really good.
It had a piece of cone in it too.
Drage loves the cone.
I think they just smashed up a drumstick and just put it in a cup.
Yeah.
Pretty much. I'm gonna be sick.
Not this bad.
Okay, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I had so much fun. Thanks for joining me, you guys. Thanks
Yeah,
for
that
paying,
was
Drage.
fun. You're welcome.
Go hit his
That was great.
Venmo up at Drage dash cameraman. So we got 10 different ones. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment. Go check Drage out, his YouTube on all his socials, and Kate out on all her socials. Super fun. Pop tags. Ding! I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to, I already said that. Okay, hang loose, stay hyped, and make them happy. I'll see you next week. Peace out. Bye guys. Oh, I gotta do my intro, guys. You ready?
What the fetch? How did I crack my phone?
Okay. Ding! Ding!